Hello and good morning to our lecturer, Mr. Chan. I would like to introduce our team member. The first one is Muhammad Faiz Izzuddin bin Zalazillah, and the second one is Abdul Azim bin Muhammad, and the third one is me, Nazar bin Arbi, and the fourth one is Lexister Lextortal. We are from CEC 1101C. The topic we would like to discuss is application of differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation is a method used to compute the rate of change of a function with respect to its input x. The example of application of differentiation in daily life is derivatives are used to derive many equations in physics and to calculate the profit and loss in business using graph and to determine the speed or distance covered such as mile per hour and kilometer per hour. This is our problem statement. A construction company need to design a cylindrical underground tunnel. The volume of the closed cylindrical tunnel is 1 million meter cubed. Find the least material used for this tunnel. Based on the market value of the material used, estimate the minimum cost of the construction.
Thank you, Norazawi. So today I am the sister Lector Tang. The second presenter would like to highlight a few main things. So we need to build a closed cylindrical tunnel and we need to know the area of the cylindrical, which is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, and the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, which given is 1 million meter cube. So the thing we need to find is the type of material and the cost of the material. So the first one material is concrete and it costs about 375 ringgit 50 cent, and for the main steel bar is 3 ringgit and 5 cent, and the road timber is 1009 and 12 cent, and the data is 970 ringgit and 08 meter square, and the cost cent is 70 ringgit and 60 cent. To the conclusion. So we always remember that volume for the cylinder is pi r square h equal to 1 million meter cube, and for the area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So we need to express h in terms of r in volume of the cylinder. So v r square h equal to 1 million meter cube. So subject which h equal to 1 million over pi r square meter cube. Substitute the value of h into the area of the cylinder, which area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. 2 pi r bracket 1 million over pi r square, a close bracket plus 2 pi r square. Eliminate the pi r, 2 square 1 million over r, a close bracket plus 2 pi r square. We get a area of the cylindrical, which is 2 million over r plus 2 pi r square. Of material and the cost of material, each of them. We get Rm 3 ringgit 75 and 50 cent for the meter square, and the mine steel bar is 3 ringgit and 5 cent per meter square, and the road timber is equal to 1009 and 12 cent meter square, and the liter is 970 ringgit and 8 cent per meter square, and lastly is a cost cent, which is 70 ringgit and 60 cent per meter square. All the total for the material to find the cost of the material for each of the meter square. So the total is here we get Rm 2,434 ringgit and 35 cents.
Thanks, Lexister. My name is Abdul Azim bin Muhammad, and I will continue to give a briefing on how we can find the radius and the minimum cost to construct this underground tunnel. We all know that the total cost of material is Rm 2,434 ringgit and 35 cents. Therefore, we could find the cost of material by multiplying the amount with the new formula of the cylinder area. Hence, Rm 2,434 ringgit point 35 cents will be multiplied by 2 million over R, which representing the area base plus top, plus Rm 2,434 ringgit point 35 cents multiplied by 2 pi R square, which represent the area of height. Then we will get Rm 4 billion 868 million 700,000 over R plus Rm 4,868.7 pi R square. Then this will be the new formula for us to find the total cost of constructing the underground tunnel. To minimize the cost, we need to differentiate the cost formula that we created previously and make it equal to 0. Then we will get negative 4 billion 868 million 700,000 over R square plus 9,737.4 pi R equal to 0. Then, to make the negative disappear, we need to rearrange the equation. Therefore, we will get 4,868,700,000 over R square equal to 9,737.4 pi R. Next step, we need to multiply the R square with the right-hand side equation. Our objective is to find the R value, so we need to make the R alone by bringing the power 3 to left-hand side to become square root 3 and divide 4,868,700,000 with 9,737.4 pi. Therefore, the R value will equal to 54.19 meter. Next step, we need to proceed to the second derivative test on the cost formula to determine the cost is minimum or maximum. By that, the second derivative for the cost formula is equivalent to 9,737,400,000 over R power 3 plus 9,737.4 pi. As we know the R value is 54.19 meter, we could substitute the value inside the second derivative of the cost formula. By that, the value after substituting the R inside is 91,781.66. Therefore, the cost is minimum as the value is greater than 0. After we confirm the cost is minimum when R equal to 54.19 meter, we will use the R value and substitute inside the original cost formula before differentiation. By that, the final amount to construct the underground tunnel is 90,670,700,000 ringgit and 35 cents.
So next, I would like to say for the conclusion. For conclusion, based on the problem statement, the objective was to determine the volume of the tunnel, which is 1 million meter cubic. To solve the problem, various factors need to be considered such as the type of material, cost of material, radius of the tunnel, and the minimum of cost construction. Firstly, the type of material such as concrete, mud, steel bar, and cross sand and its cost for each meter square. Secondly, express H in terms of R. Then substitute the value of H into the area of the cylinder. The cost of a closed cylindrical tunnel is priced at Rm 2,434.35 cents per meter square. To find the radius, we need to differentiate the cost of construction. Then we will get the radius, which is 54.19 meters. Lastly, conclude the second derivative to find the cost whether it is minimum. Then substitute the radius in the cost formula. Hence, the cost of the tunnel construction is Rm 870, 945, and 39 cents. So next, this is our reference that we find on the media platform. So lastly, we would like to thank you for leaning your ear to hear our video. So thank you.